Happy morning all of you. Welcome back in Shri Ganesh online education series. Dear students, today we are learning EVS second. Okay. Up till now we have completed 11 chapters. Okay. Our 11 number chapter was the discomfiture of Shaista Khan. In this lesson we have learned about Aurangzeb. Okay. Aurangzeb was very angry because of Shivaji Maharaj and he wanted to stop Shivaji Maharaj's work. So he sent Shaista Khan to finish Swaraj. Okay, but what Shivaji Maharaj did? Shivaji Maharaj cut his fingers, his 3 fingers. Okay, in Lal Mahal, and so Shaista Khan ran away. Okay, so like this we have learned about this lesson. So now whatever Aurangzeb's plan was there, that is flop. Okay, that plan is going to sit. So now means there is Shivaji Maharaj got victory. Okay, so now on this basis what happened afterwards? Okay, Shaista Khan ran away. Okay, Shivaji Maharaj got victory. So now after this what happened? That we have to learn here. Okay, so see, our lesson's name is The Siege of Purandar and the Treaty with the Mughal Emperor. Okay, I'll repeat again. The Siege of Purandar and the Treaty with the Mughal Emperor. Okay, so this chapter is on page number 45. All I have to open your textbook, page number 45. Okay, so all I have opened it. Very good. So see, our first point is raid on Surat. What is our first point? Raid on Surat. You can see I am making a raid on Surat. Okay. Do you know raid? Income tax raid is there. Have you heard this word? Raid, income tax raid. Yeah. Yes. So raid means suddenly we have to go there, and whatever we will get there illegal. Okay. That material or that amount, cash, gold, whatever things are there, valuable things, that this income tax people they used to take in their custody. Okay, so that time we are using this word income tax raid. Okay, but now here raid on Surat. Who did this raid? Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, so what he did in this raid, that we have to learn. Okay, but in simply raid means what he have taken. He might have taken gold, valuable things. Okay, gold and valuable things, money, all these things including the raid. Now see, raid on Surat. All of you know Surat city? Yes. So on that Surat, see, put your finger on the line. See, after this triumph, Shivaji did not sit idle. See, now what is meant by triumph? See, triumph means victory or success. After this success, means which success Shivaji Maharaj got? He defeated to Shaista Khan. Okay, that's success Shivaji Maharaj got. So he did not see idle. Idle means indolent. Idle means indolent, means what we can see in relaxed position. Indolent means in relaxed position. Okay, he did not sit relaxed. What he did? Aurangzeb's troops were laying waste the whole of Maharashtra. And see, he did not sit relaxed. Aurangzeb's troops means his groups. Okay, his troops were laying waste the whole of Maharashtra. They were troubling to Maharashtra's people. They were destroying places from Maharashtra. So to bring the emperor to his sense, Shivaji carried out his daring raid on Surat. And so to teach a lesson to this emperor, Shivaji Maharaj carried out his daring raid. Daring raid, what it is? Daring raid. Why it is daring raid? Because Shivaji Maharaj was in Pune and he has to visit to Surat. It was far distance. Okay, so it was daring raid and it was on Surat. Surat was so far away from Pune. See, that is only told. Surat was so far away from Pune that no one but Shivaji could have thought of his daring raid. No one can think about this daring raid, but Shivaji Maharaj thought about this daring raid. Surat was then a great center of trade in the Mughal Empire. See, Surat was then a great center of trade. Trade means what I have told you. Trade means business. Okay, vyapar. That is called business in English. Okay, center of trade in the Mughal Empire. And a very rich city. And this Surat was very rich city. Okay, why? Because it was the center of trade. Shivaji carried out the raid successfully and brought home a booty worth lakh of rupees. See, Shivaji carried out this raid successfully and brought home what? A booty worth lakh of rupees. Now what is meant by booty? Booty means valuable stolen goods. Valuable stolen goods or things. Okay. See, booty worth lakh rupees. What he brought? Worth lakh rupees he brought. And Shivaji did not forsake ethic in the raid on Surat. See, Shivaji did not forsake. Forsake means abandon or to leave. He did not leave his ethics. Whatever ethics he had, he did not leave them. He did not forsake them. He did not abandon them. Okay. In the raid on Surat, he spared the churches and mosques. What is spared? Church and mosque. Church means temple of Christian people, and mosque means temple of Mohammedan people. Okay, means church and mosque means masjid. He did not show disrespect to women, and what he did? See, he did not touch to church and mosque, and he did not show disrespect. Okay, respect, opposite word disrespect. He did not show disrespect to women. Now next paragraph, see. The raid on Surat drove Aurangzeb into a furious rage. The raid on the Surat drove Aurangzeb into a furious rage. What is meant by furious now? Furious means very angry. He became very angry. Who? Aurangzeb. Why? Because Surat was his city and Shivaji Maharaj put on his city. So he now decided to put an end to the Maratha kingdom. And now Aurangzeb decided that anyhow condition we have to put an end to this Maratha kingdom. Whose it is Maratha kingdom? Shivaji Maharaj. What is his name? Swaraj. Okay. He ordered his great general Mirza Raje Jai Singh to humble Shivaji. See, he ordered his great general, whom? To Mirza Raje Jai Singh, to humble Shivaji. To assist Mirza Raje in the campaign, he sent with him his trusted Sardar. See, to assist this Mirza Raje Jai Singh, he sent his one trusted Sardar, Diler Khan. What was his name? Diler Khan. The two landed in the Deccan with a huge army and unlimited funds. And see, those two people means which? Mirza Raje Jai Singh and trusted Sardi Diler Khan. These two landed in the Deccan with a huge army. What they brought with them? Huge army and unlimited funds. Unlimited funds. Swaraj was in real danger, and so because of this now Swaraj was in real danger. So see last point. Immediately after his return from the expedition of Surat. Immediately after his return from the expedition of Surat. Now what is meant by expedition? Now here places now just I will write here. Okay. See, expedition. Expedition means a long journey for a special, a long journey for a special purpose. A long journey for a special purpose. See, Shivaji Maharaj, what he did on Surat? He raid on Surat. Okay, so that is called expedition. What? A long journey for a special purpose. He visited to Surat for what? For a special purpose. Now, when he returned from Surat, that time what he got a bad news. See, in 1664 AD. Shivaji Maharaj heard a sad news. What he heard? He heard a sad news. AD means Anno Domini. Okay. Shivaji Maharaj heard a sad news. Shahaji Raje had suffered an accidental death. What? Shahaji Raje had suffered an accidental death while on a hunt. See, means who was Shahaji Raje? Anyone knows who was Shahaji Raje? Do you know? No. Shahaji Raje was father of Shivaji Maharaj. Shahaji Bhosle. Shahaji Bhosle. Okay. What is Shivaji Maharaj's mother name? Can you tell? Jijabai. Very good. So that you remember and you forgot the name. Shahaji Raje is name of Shivaji Maharaj's father. So see what news Shivaji Maharaj got, that Shahaji Raje had suffered an accidental death while on hunt. Means when the Shahaji Raje went for the hunting in the forest, that time he got an accidental death. So Shivaji and Jijabai were greatly grieved. What is meant by grieve? Grieve means great sorrow. Grieve means great sorrow. Grieve, great sorrow. See. So, because of this sad news, Shivaji Maharaj and Jijamata, they feel very bad and they suffered from great sorrow. So, holding his mother close to his bosom. Holding his mother to his bosom. Now, bosom means what? Chest. See. Its pronunciation is bosom. Okay. Close to chest. So, Shivaji Maharaj hold his mother to his chest. Okay. Means he took her in his arm. Okay. So Shivaji Maharaj consoled her, and like this Shivaji Maharaj consoled her, whom? Jijamata. Understood? See, in short we will see summary. Raid on Surat. Okay. See, Shivaji Maharaj taught a lesson to Shaiste Khan. Okay. So that means he got victory here. Okay. But after his victory he could not settle himself. He could not sit, relax. Why? Because this Mughal emperor, these people, his troops, they were troubling to Maharashtra people. They were destroying places from Maharashtra. So Shivaji Maharaj thought that we should keep control on these people. So Shivaji Maharaj raid on Surat. Okay. So because of his raid, Aurangzeb became very angry now. Okay. He became very angry, and so what he did, he thought now that anyhow condition we have to put an end to this Maratha emperor. Okay, so he sent Mirza Raje Jai Singh and one trusted Sardar Diler Khan along with him. Mirza Raje Jai Singh and Diler Khan, these two people. Okay, these two people, along with them he sent many people and unlimited money. For money, what word is used here? Funds. Unlimited funds. It is given to Then, okay, to destroy Maratha emperor, Maratha kingdom. Okay, so like this much we have learned. And when Shivaji Maharaj returned from Surat's raid, that time he got, so like this he got bad news. Okay, so see, like this we have learned today this much. Raid on Surat. So what you have to do? You have to read this paragraph one time. Okay, again you have to find out 15 hard words from this point. Raid on Surat. How many? 15 hard words. Okay, and you have to write down these word meanings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 word meanings you have to write down. I'll move aside. You can pause the video and then you can note down all these things. Okay, and see, we are going to call you for homework checking in the school. So be ready and complete your notebooks properly. Thank you very much.